Which factor should you consider when determining how much liquid to load into a tank? A. Weight of the liquid. B. Legal weight limits. C. How much the liquid will expand during transit. D. All of the above. The effects of liquid surge are reduced by A. Braking far in advance and increasing your stopping distance. B. Starting, stopping, and turning smoothly. C. Hauling thicker liquids. D. All of the above. What should you do to prevent a tanker from rolling over on a curve? A. Travel at the posted speed limit on a curve. B. Brake aggressively throughout the curve. C. Travel well below the posted speed limit on a curve. D. None of the above. A baffled tanker has A. Separate tanks inside the trailer. B. Interior bulkheads with holes that let the liquid flow through. C. A smooth interior and is often used to transport food products. D. Dampers that float on the liquid to slow movement. A smoothbore tanker is often used to transport A. Gasoline. B. Heavy liquid. C. Corrosive or acidic liquids. D. Milk or food products. Which of the following characteristics make liquid tanker harder to handle? A. The density of the cargo. B. Low center of gravity of the cargo. C. High center of gravity of the cargo. D. Width of the cargo tank. Which of the following is often referred to as a smoothbore tank? A. Portable tank. B. Tank with a stainless steel interior. C. Baffled liquid tanks. D. Unbaffled liquid tank. What is the definition of outage? A. Free space left in a tanker to allow for expansion of the liquid from temperature changes. B. Amount of liquid that is lost during transportation due to spillage, evaporation, etc. C. A disruption in the electrical system of the tractor. D. A loss of power in the hydraulic system. Under which conditions should you be extremely cautious when driving a smoothbore tanker? A. During loading. B. During unloading. C. When going up a hill. D. When starting and stopping. The movement of liquid in a partially filled tanker truck is known as what? A. Surge. B. Rolling. C. Outage. D. Baffle. Why are special skills and knowledge required to drive a tanker? A. Tankers have a high center of gravity. B. Tankers have an increased risk of rollover. C. Liquid surge can occur in tankers. D. All of the above. Dividers inside tankers that have holes in them are known as what? A. Barriers. B. Bulkheads. C. Baffles. D. Separators. Why are baffles used in some tankers? A. To make the interior of a tanker easier to clean out. B. To control forward and back liquid surge. C. To eliminate side-to-side liquid surge. D. To allow you the hauling of mixed loads. Why should you have sufficient outage in a tanker truck? A. To reduce the possibility of liquid surge. B. To lower the center of gravity of the tanker. C. To reduce the chance of leaks due to liquid expansion. D. To reduce the weight of the tanker. How should you drive on curves with a tanker vehicle? A. Drive at the posted speed on the curve. B. Slow down before the curve, then accelerate through the curve. C. Accelerate before the curve, then downshift as you go through the curve. D. Use controlled braking as you go through the curve. Why do you need to know the outage requirements when hauling liquids in bulk? A. Outage requirements vary across liquids. B. Some baffled tankers do not require outage. C. Some heavy liquids do not require outage. D. All of the above. In which direction do baffled tanks not usually prevent the movement of surge? A. Up and down. B. Side to side. C. Forward and backward. D. All of the above. How does a baffled tanker handle differently than a tanker with baffles? A. The baffled tanker will have less side-to-side surge than the unbaffled tanker. B. The baffled tanker can handle curves faster than an unbaffled tanker. C. The baffled tanker will have less front-to-back surge than the unbaffled tanker. D. The baffled tanker will handle the same as the unbaffled tanker. Which of the following is a potential danger of side-to-side surge? A. Containment breach. B. Rollover. C. Suspension system failure. D. None of the above. Which of the following is a liquid-tight divider between compartments inside of a tank? A. Bulkhead. B. Baffle. C. Separation walls. D. None of the above. CDL License Practice Test. CDL practice test open you up to many top-paying CDL jobs. However, getting these best-paying truck driving jobs, highest-paying CDL jobs and highest-paying trucking companies isn't easy, as some require background checks and/or an additional skills test. You'll need a commercial driver's license if you want to drive a truck or other commercial vehicle. A Class A license is one of the CDL designations in most jurisdictions. To get your Class A license, you'll need to do the following. Learn about the CDL laws in your state, including the minimum age requirements. Before you apply, you must meet all of the requirements, including having a valid passenger car driver's license. Apply for CDL permit. Pass a CDL written test and pay the required costs. There are CDL school that offers free CDL training. But there is always have some level of commitment required to the company sponsoring your free CDL training. Think of it more like an NFL athlete that gets a signing bonus. If he ends up quitting on the team before the season starts, he loses the bonus. Most CDL truck companies require you to work for them for a certain amount of time before they waive your tuition costs.